Hi, ladies. Good morning. Today I'm going to tell you something about the activity that you're gonna do as a homework, as a practice in vacations. Remember, I'm going to give you 1 point in any of the grades of the subject that you're gonna have and that you have low. It can be vocabulary, it can be typing, or it can be the future activities that you're gonna have in Arukay. Okay. I'm gonna explain you how to enter because I know sometimes you have problems by entering. I'm gonna do it with one of the codes that I have here. I'm gonna I'm gonna pretend I'm Kata, so here I have the number of Kata, and then I'm going to write the code 8172, 8172. Okay. Once I am in the platform, I'm going to work in vacaciones. Remember that we already work on these two. And this one is very funny. I'm going to show you how it works. You're gonna enter, and this is not a normal video, okay? This one has some activities that you're gonna do in the video. So it's an interactive video. I'm gonna start. Okay, this video was very short. What should I do? I need to click in continuar. So then I'm going to read what the instruction says. Okay, so it says, este es un nuevo tipo de rompecabezas llamado artista. Juega con el nivel y dibuja algo divertido. So for example, I want to draw a square. So I can click the boy going up, then the boy going to side, then going down, then going to a side, and I think that's it. So I think ejecutar, and then it's gonna work. Okay, so it's very funny. And even if you want to jump from another side, you can do it. For example, let's jump in here. Terminar. Aquí está tu dibujo, sigue trabajando con él. And then you need to send me, I mean, you're going to copy this link, okay, in a Word. So here you can put work one, and then you're gonna have the link of the artist that you did. Then you continue, and then you're gonna have the number 3, and so on. So when you finish, when everything is finished, you're gonna have until Wednesday to send me the whole links and the whole works that you do. If some of time you cannot copy the link, but you can, you can create a document, remember to send me the folder, the complete folder. Let's suppose I have here a folder called Arukay. So remember that I have everything of Arukay in here. It can be work number 1, work number 2, okay? And then you click in añadir Arukay RAR. Then when you're having here, eh, interrumpirla. Okay, it's because I have opened another file. Okay, so I click cerrar, and then this is the folder that you can send me through Google Classroom. Okay, I think this is a great opportunity. I hope you can enjoy it and you can have fun and you can a play because it's just a game. If you want, we can go and do this one, but this time it's saying other commands. Um, that's it. Bye bye.